The Stemi 355 microscope. 10 highlights in 90 seconds. The Stemi 355 microscope is easy to use. Simply place it on a suitable surface, switch on the illumination, place your sample, and you are ready to start working. The flexible stands, including edu, mat, and lab models, provide versatility for all your needs. The illumination and even the hex key for installation are already included in the microscope. Experience stereo view in stunning 3D, giving you a detailed, high-quality perspective. From an overview to the smallest detail, every sample can be viewed with the high-quality zoom optics. Manipulate and explore samples with ease in a spacious area. Interchangeable optics provide different fields of view for every application. Documentation and reporting has never been simpler. Whether in a laboratory or in a school, with the LabScope software, many people can take part in the action at the same time. The Stemi 355 microscope is fun to use, easy to install, easy to operate, and easy to transport.